Good day, Tech Change classmates. This is Jim. I'm going to be doing a part of my assignment on Webform, Drupal Webform. And the reason I'm doing it is because a couple years ago I did a project planning website for another class, and I did it on a men and boys conference through my church. And so I thought I would update this and just do the survey through Drupal Webform. Originally, I had it done on Google Sites, and I incorporated a Google form onto that site. So I was able to recreate this. I had to go through quite a few videos to figure this out. At the end of one of the videos, they did mention that Webform is also available as a hosted solution for surveys as well. So I'm going to go there. You can sign up, and I'll go to my account, and we'll work on this web form. And I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but I'll just show you some of the things, how to create these things. So I'll start with a field set. So this is just field sets to categorize your different information in the survey. And for this one, I'm just going to give it the field set personal information and save it. And then the next one, we'll try a select from list. And we'll go with gender. And the label display will be above the options. Male and female. And because this is a men's conference, I'm just going to keep the default as male. And for validation, I'm just going to say it's required. And then I'll save that. And hopefully, I should be able to move this one into the personal information. Okay, so now I'm going to try to use I think we'll try the radio buttons. I was moving these things directly into this box before, but it didn't seem to work, so there may be a way to do that, but I'm not going to try it again for now. And so this one, I'm just going to take the same field here, age. Oops. And then display will be above again. Options. 50, let's see. Below 15. 15 to 24. 25 to 34. 35 to 44, and then I'll just give it 45 plus as well. And there's not going to be any default, so there's no default on that one. And validation is required. So again, we'll move that into our general information field set. And I'll save it. And then one of the things I had in here, I'm not going to go through the whole thing because it's a lot. We have some check boxes here too, so I'll go through some of those. Whoops, wrong one. Check boxes. Have you ever struggled with any of the following? And these questions will be specifically for men, so I'm going to add a conditional after this that gives this question an answer of NA if the person previously answered female to gender. So let's see here. Display again is going to be the same, and I'm just going to put in a few items here. Depression, addiction, child custody, and we're just going to leave it at that. And there's no defaults on here either. Let's see what was. Oh, I'll put divorce in there. Okay, so, and validation. Actually, I'm going to put one more in here. NA. Okay. So for my conditional here, I'm just going to answer if gender is female, then hide. Have you ever struggled with any of the following? I think there's some more conditions to this. There was when I did it on my website, but for now, we'll just go with that one. And then I'll go back here, and I'm just going to throw that back in there. Okay, there's other things we can add too. I'm just going to add another field set here. And this is going to be my potential speakers field set. So people, men speakers that people might be interested in listening to. Potential conference speakers. And we will save that. And then I'm going to so what I have to do here is I have to get the YouTube video links, and hopefully they work. They did work on my Drupal website, but we'll give them a shot here too. So what I need to do is get the embed code. Okay. And then I grab the HTML markup. And I just throw the HTML markup in here. Oops. Well, that's not good. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, let's try this again. There we go, captured that. And we're just going to put in potential speaker VK. And for some reason, I don't know if that worked or not. Oh, okay. Now here's the problem with this one. On my web form, it does allow you to use full HTML, and on the hosted version, it doesn't allow you to use full HTML. So if we can see over here, when I posted this, let's just see if I can edit this on here. When I posted this on my Drupal website, on this one specifically, it does give me the option here to either use filtered HTML or full HTML. If I go with full HTML, then it will display the video, and if not, it won't display the video. So that's why it didn't work on there. So if you want to post a video on your form through webform.com, you might want to contact them and see how you can get that to work. Otherwise, that feature might not work. And I was able to incorporate everything else anyways through the site. There's also options to do some of these grids here where you give them several different options, and then submit buttons. And then once you've got all that information, you can go and analyze your results. And I'm guessing there is a download button. You can either download Excel file or CSV file. Yeah, so I think that's it. I got it to work pretty much on my Drupal website really well. I'd have to do a lot of styling so it looks more attractive, and that's going to be this part. I'm going to leave some video links down below on how you can learn this for yourself. There's one on OS training that I was using that was pretty good, and there was another YouTube video that I would watch that was just it wasn't really a tutorial, but it basically just covered the development of web form and all the things it could do. So that was a really interesting view, and I'm going to shoot another video on data visualization with Drupal, so I can take all the information from my form and I can put it into content types that will display different types of graphs. So this is the first part, and thanks for listening, and we'll talk soon.